How to format and reinstall Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can format and reinstall Windows 10 onto our PC. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, these are the steps you need to follow. First of all, open up your personal computer. After that, you just need to head over to the main settings of your device. Just open up your settings onto your device, and after that, just scroll it down until you're able to find this option called update and security. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to find that option called recovery on the left side. Just click on it and you can find this reset this PC option there. So you're just going to tap on this get started icon. At the bottom, you may just read the terms, like if this channel, you may find these options. So you can choose that option called remove everything, since we are formatting everything. After that, just remove everything, and when you tap on remove everything, you'll be getting another option where you need to reinstall the Windows 10 onto your device. So you may just simply select that option. After that, just go on with the process of downloading the Windows 10 onto your device. So that's how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.